the fort till I get back, will you fellas, huh? I don't why. Swell bunch of guys. Swell. What a party! What a party! A million laughs.
Lazy good for nothing. Oh, Sylvester! Isn't it strange we've never had a little bundle from heaven?
Suffering succotash! Don't start that patter of little feet around the house stuff again. I'm busy.
Oh! I work and I slave.
And what thanks do I get? I wish I was dead.
Every day it's the same thing. Pitter-patter of little feet.
Oh, my aching head. Let's face it, I can't fly any further. This place is as good as any. What's the difference? A baby's a baby. It's the environment that molds them. Congratulations, madam. You're a mother.
Sylvester, look! Look! The stork was here and left us a baby.
A baby? Quick! Quick! Open it! Open it! Oh, boy! This makes me a father! A mouse?
A mouse?
Mama.
Oh, he called me Mama. Isn't he cute?
Cute? He's delicious!
Sylvester, how could you? After all...
Well, nothing like this ever happened on my side of the family.